Welcome to JH. In this guide, I will demonstrate how to conceal text within Google Docs. The process is quite easy if you follow these instructions. To begin, you need a specific extension. Navigate to the Extensions menu, select Add-ons, and then choose Get Add-ons. In the search bar that appears, type Secret Docs and select the Docs Secrets application. Hit the blue Install button and then click Continue. Choose your preferred Google account and confirm by clicking Continue and then Allow. This integrates the tool into your Google Workspace. Once finished, click Done and close the window. Now that it's installed, you can access the tool by going back to Extensions, selecting Doc Secrets, and clicking Open. A sidebar will appear next to your document. You must set a passphrase here, so type in your chosen password and click Start. This code will be required to view any hidden content later. To hide specific text, highlight it, and use Command X to cut it. Then, click inside the sidebar field, use Command V to paste it, and hit the Insert button. Your text is now successfully masked within the document. If you need to see the content again, simply look at the sidebar. If the extension is closed, anyone trying to view the hidden data must go to Extensions, open Doc Secrets, and provide the correct passphrase. Without that password, the information remains protected. If they have the code, they can reveal or modify the text as needed. Thanks for watching this guide. If you found these steps useful, please like the video and subscribe for more tutorials. See you next time.